Now probability. You know the probability definition. What is probability? The number of favorable cases by number of total cases. So how to find the number of total cases? We have 5 cases for coin, next for die, and for pack of cards, leap year and non-leap year. You have to first observe the coin. When a coin is tossed, when a coin is tossed, when a coin is tossed, what is n of s? Next, what is s? That means sample space, the number of sample space. When a coin is tossed, we get head or tail. Next, n of s becomes 2 power 1, that becomes 2 or 2 power 1. Next, when 2 coins are tossed, when 2 coins are tossed, 2 coins are tossed, when 2 coins are tossed, what is s sample space? When 2 coins are tossed, we get both head or head to tail or tail head or tail tail. So these are the 4 cases. That means so n of s in this case, n of s is equal to total 4 cases we have. 4 write as 2 square n square. Similarly, when n coins are tossed, when coins are tossed, what is n of s? So observe here. When a coin is tossed, that means 1 coin is tossed 2 power 1. When 2 coins are tossed 2 power 2. When 3 coins are tossed 2 power 3. When n coins are tossed, then number of sample space s is equal to 2 power n. So this is the 2 power n. That means the number of sample space when n coins are tossed. Dice. So first case, when a die or when 1 die is rolled, when die is rolled, when 1 die is rolled, now what is sample space? S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this case, what is n of s? Clearly n of s is 6 power 1. 6 cases we have. 1 die is rolled, 6 power 1. Next, when 2 coins are tossed, when 2 dice are rolled, 2 dice are rolled, 2 dice roll cheste. Now what is s? Sample space is 1 1. First die pine 1, second die pine 1, or 1 2, or 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Similarly, 2 when first die pine 1, second die pine 1 1, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, like that. Next, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Next, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. Next, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Next, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Now how many cases we have here? So n of s is equal to 36. 36 write as 6 square. So when 2 dice are rolled, so n of s is 6 square. Similarly, when n dice are rolled, when n dice are rolled, then what is n of s? So 6 power n. We have to take the n of s is 6 power n when n dice are rolled. If you roll 2 dice, 6 power 2. If you roll 1 die, then 6 power 1. That is the number of sample space. Pack of cards. Pack of play cards or cards. Pack of play cards. So in a pack we have 52 cards. In these 52 cards we have 26 red cards and 26 black cards. Total we have in a pack 52 cards. In that 52, 26 red cards and 22 black cards. Now in this 26 red cards we have 13 diamond and 13 heart cards. Next, in 26 black cards we have 13 spade cards and 13 club cards. Diamond shape, heart shape, spade, club. Spade ante love reverse lo unte, spade ante in the space of leaf undaga unte. So ee symbols meeku telisinde. Now in this 13 diamond, so what are these cards? A 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Next J Q K. Total 13 cards we have. Next in that 13 heart cards also same. A 2 3 and so on up to 10. J Q K. Next 13 spade cards. A 2 3 and so on up to 10. Next J Q K. Next 13 club cards. So A 2 3 and so on up to 10. Next J Q K. So 13 13 13 13 on that. So total 13 4s are 52 cards. Now observe here A. This A is called the ace cards. Ace cards. Yes. Next observe from 2 to 10. 2 to 10. Clearly 2 to 10 are called the 2 to 10 are the numbers. So these cards are called the number cards. Number cards. ఈ 2 to 10 అని number cards అని అంటారు. Next JQK. These 3 cards. JQK ని face card, face or picture cards. PICTURE. Picture cards. Face cards or picture cards. Ace cards, number cards, picture cards. 3 types of cards. So ace cards. How many ace cards we have? Total 4 cards. In each set we have 1 card. So A. So in each set we have 1 ace card. Like that we have 4 set. Total 4 ace cards. Next number cards. So how many number cards we have? In each set we have 9 number cards. 2 to 10 ante 9 ఉంటాయి. So in each set we have 9 cards. Like that we have 4 sets. 9 4s are 36. Next picture cards are face cards. So JQK are called the picture cards. So in each set we have 3 cards. Like that we have 4 sets. Total 3 4s are 12. Add this 4 plus 36. 40 plus 52. Sorry, 40 plus 12 is 52. Total 52 cards. So JQK. J is jockey, Q is queen, K is king, A is ace card. So these are the cards, play cards, about the play cards. So questions are like this. So how many black cards in a pack of play cards? 26 black and 26 red. So what is the probability of getting ace card from a pack of cards? So ace card రావడానికి probability ఎంత అని అడుగుతారు. So how many ace cards we have? Total 4 ace cards. So 4 by total cards is 52. 4 by 52. Next, what is the probability of getting ace cards from red color? Ace cards from red color. Red color లో ace cards కావాలి. So red colors లో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ace cards? 1 diamond ఉంది, 1 heart ఉంది. అంటే 2 cards ఉన్నాయి. అంటే 2 by total 52. 2 by 52 like that. So these are the question frame.